guys, and welcome back to my Plan of Perfection. This is Nikita, and today I want to do a plan with me in my A5 bullet journal. And in my shop I've recently released these two micro kits and I just wanted to use them, so I thought why not make a video. So we have Merbabe and we have Pastel Rebel. I didn't think about saying that one out loud, did I? And I just, I'm always looking for mini kits, and I thought I'd make a kit with everything that I personally need, and I thought why not add it to the shop. So you get 2 sheets, and you get 2 deco boxes, 7 checklists, 2 flags, some deco, date covers, some layering stickers, habit trackers, and just some labels. And yeah, I think they turned out really cute. And it's all my original artwork. So yeah, let's jump right on in. I think today I want to use Merbabe. And this is what Kiki was inspired from. I drew this artwork a while ago. And yeah, so I thought let's make use of this artwork when I saw it. So here we are. And I'm going to be bringing in this gold foiled washi tape from Simply Gilded, and that's all I'm going to need. And yeah, I'm just going to show you how I plan in my A5 bullet journal. Now, I do like to do horizontal spreads in this. I'm a list maker, but I like to, what's the word? I'm not like a one word kind of list person, if that makes sense. So I'll just get this washi down and, whoops. That is really pretty. I do love Simply Gilded washi tape, but I haven't brought any in, God, a good while. Just because I have so much of it already and I'm trying to use what I do have. As much as I want to buy all the washi, I'm trying to be a little bit stricter on myself. Now, usually when I put my washi down, it's all kind of crooked, especially when I do it on camera. If you do hear my dog in the background today, she's been a little bit of a fusspot. She's not been very well. I had to take her to the vets. She must have like jumped funny and hurt her back. So she's on pain meds and stuff. So she's just been, a bit fussy. But I think she'll be okay. I mean, she will be okay. I just mean like while I film. And I always try to do my best to even these boxes out correctly. But for some reason or another, I always end up with one a little bit bigger. And I'm just at the point now, this isn't meant to be, well, I was going to say this isn't meant to be my pretty planner, but I would like it to be on the nicer side. But what I mean is, like, this is just, do you know what, I'm just going to leave that one. This is just for, like, making lists and stuff of what I need to do throughout the week. So, while I like it to be pretty, it doesn't need to be perfect. So, Tink. Of course, she's decided to eat herself while I'm filming. Oh my God, how bad is that? See, guys. That is going to be all kinds of wonky, but it's okay. And I'm just going to kind of cut down the spine. Is it the middle? I don't know. I don't know my words very well today. Okay, so that's the washi down, and it is really pretty. Yeah, so I'm really excited for this, guys. I can now get into my kit, and what I'm going to do is put Kiki up the top. I'm going to turn it around now. I'm all kinds of excited for this. I'm not sure how much I'll have to trim. Oh, just the tiniest bit. Well, that looks really pretty and I love it. I love it so much. And then the little clamshell I'm going to put down here. Just because Sundays tend to be on the quieter side. And now, while I'm looking at this, I'm thinking that I should have probably done a cool that pink washi, but it is what it is. So I think I'm going to do date covers, and I love these date covers that I've made. I'm always a fan of like the brush strokes. Because what I tend to do is I'll put my checklist there, and then I'll track my moods or whatever I want to track that week just here. And then I've got plenty of room for my lists. Or like if there's anything important for that day, like birthdays and stuff. So, yeah. This system, it really works for me, so that's what I like to do, guys. Tink. Tink, stop it. Every time I film, my dog's just... But these, I think these kits are great as well. If you like if you want to do like a bunch of leftovers and stuff, if you would like to see me do like a memory plan with like one of the micro kits, and I don't know, my words will come to me in a second, and leftovers, I would be more than happy to do so. Okay, yeah, as I was saying, guys, sorry, if you'd like to see me do like a memory spread, like a bigger spread using one of the micro kits, and I can pull in like a bunch of leftovers and other stuff, because I like to use what I've got. Let's just pop these habit trackers down. Yeah, I don't like to waste a bunch of stuff, so if I can, I will use them. It's like, that's how I got into doing like, oh no, this is so crooked. That's how I got into, there we go. For some reason I can't do two things at once. But that's how I got into actually having a second planner, was because I wanted to use my leftovers. And I used to use, way back, I'd use my Erin Condren. And I'm just thinking what I want to, because I usually put the month there. So I'm going to use the flag. Yeah, so way back I'd use my Erin Condren as a daily planner. And then as my planning style progressed, I started using like a daily planner and then memory keeping, which is that is kind of what I like to do. So I do have two planners. Right, I love these little checklists. I did, when I was making them, I did do them like with 3, but then I was like, I could probably make them a little bit smaller and get 4 on. So that's what I did. And I'm really happy that I did. Okay. I was looking there and I was like, my dates aren't right. Honestly. That's one thing I do like about the paper that I use. It is quite forgiving. So it's a good job really with me. When I was like searching for paper and stuff, that was one of the things I wanted, was a forgiving paper, because I am forever putting things down wrong. I was thinking, have I done my checklists wrong? But no, it was my dates. Okay, so as I was saying, what was I saying? I don't know. I forgot now. My 2 planners. So yeah, I just like having one that I can jot like this. I can scribble, like if I write stuff down that I'm gonna do and then I don't end up doing it, I'm more than happy to put a line through it or an arrow to move it to the next day, whatever. But not so much in my memory keeping. I like a nice planner and I like a messy planner, and this is my messy planner. Okay, so Thursday, I know that I've got my, actually let's do Wednesday, because it's my sister's birthday. So I want to put a sticker down to say that it's my sister's birthday. Super cute. And then Thursday, I want to pop in because I know I have therapy. And let's see what else. If I just pop it there. And then underneath, I'm going to do a flag because I have my workout too. Well, I say my workout class. It's just a cardio class that I like to do. It's still not down straight. Right, let's try again. I think that's as good as I'm going to get it. Tink. Stop. Right, and then let's see what else I want to add or what I can think. We do tend to do a bit of a date night on a Saturday. So, you know what, I'm going to use the hexagon just because there's a lot of gold there. And do we think that I can, you know what, let's use the back of the page, because I want to kind of line it up as much as I can. There, that should kind of do it. Yeah. And then I might as well use this little seahorsey, Kiki's friend. He's so cute. I'm just gonna maybe pop him on here somewhere. I know that I've got a mark therapy there, but I'm still going to do it because it's cute. And now, last but not least, I have this one sticker. So I'm just going to put it up here, and it can just be an important, maybe I'll put something in there, maybe not. But it's there, and that is the finished spread, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And definitely, if you've got any ideas for kits and stuff that you'd like to see, definitely let me know. Definitely let me know down below in the comments. And thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.